Hey guys, it's Gideon again, and we have our little taskbar here with Generate Vectors Beta. This is fairly new, and so in here, like it says, create editable vector graphics, including subjects, scenes, and icons from a simple text prompt. So they're baking, this AI type feature in, so let's use it. There's all kinds of ways I think you can use this. Some of the ways I've come up with are maybe you need icons, simple like backgrounds for posters or flyers, maybe just simple vector art scenes. Maybe you need patterns, emojis, little shapes, maybe like, I don't know, squiggly lines or arrows or whatever it is you need for your project. So let's try this out. I have happy face emoji icon in here right now. Directly under that, we get to tell it what type of content we're looking for: a scene, a subject, an icon. I chose icon. Next, we have a detail slider. We can adjust the level of detail up and down. I'm going to leave it. We even have a style reference that we can input right here. Effects. We can tell it, maybe what kind of effect or what kind of style you're looking for. Let's change this to flat. Next, color and tone. So there's some presets in here, number of colors you want. You can specify certain colors. Really cool features that Adobe is giving us in this beta version. And then hit generate. I've found for me, this generation window takes roughly about 15 seconds. And there we have it, our nice happy face emoji. Way over here in your properties panel, we do get some variations of that. And remember, you guys, these are totally editable. So if you want, you can double click on this to work your way into the shape. So I've double clicked over here under swatches. If I want the yellow to be a green, you just go ahead and do that, or whatever color it is that you want, and then hit the escape button to send you back to the image. So this is really cool. Play around with that. I could go in here and get rid of the mouth, the eyes, change the shape, all of that. So let's try something else. And to start, you don't have to draw a shape. I did the first time, but I just drew like a rectangle. Let's get rid of the color. And here's our little taskbar again. Let's do generate vector once again. This time, I don't know, let's try a pattern. Let's try a honeycomb pattern. And I can't see all my options, so just click the gear. It says honeycomb pattern. Do I want an icon, a scene, a subject? Oh, I don't know. Let's try icon. Effects. Leave it on. Do I want flat? Sure, I want flat. Color, I'm not going to mess with, and let's just see what it does. And boom, there it is. Not too bad. And we have different versions to play around with it. Nice job, Illustrator. Okay. So, this stuff can be super helpful. I mean, you might hand draw your stuff. You might have a subscription where you can go get, stuff like this, and that's great. But I do think, them baking this stuff right into Illustrator, this should speed up your workflow in certain circumstances. So really cool stuff. Like real quickly, I could copy this if I wanted. And just I can make this as big as I want. I could just keep duplicating that. Whatever. So let's try something else real quick. I'll draw a box, get the taskbar. What do I want? How about a mountain camping scene? Hit my little gear. Let's select scene. Let's up the detail a little bit and then hit generate. And there it is. Nice. Again, fully editable, which is really cool. I mean, this isn't that bad, really. Here's some more options. And some of this stuff, it's not perfect. It gets a little messy, chaotic, a little. Maybe some of these shapes don't make sense. But I think that's to be expected at this stage of the game. And we can just go in, we can erase, we can draw, we can delete stuff really quickly. And again, on your taskbar, we can open up these little tabs. Maybe that's too much detail, right? And you can move the slider. Here's some more of your options. You go back to the gear, and put way more information in the prompt and see what happens. Change the content type, give it a style reference, all of those things. I hope this was useful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.